Good morning. This is a quick video to show you how to annotate with Cami or write on a document such as a PDF. So the first thing you're going to do is open up that document. In this case, this is a PDF. I am in Google Classroom right now. So click on the document. And then you're going to come over here and click on the three little circles or the snowman button. You're going to click the Open in New Window. And then this will open up a new page and you should see a new button that says Open With. You're going to click the Annotate with Cami button. If you do not see this option on your computer, you might have to click the Connect More Apps and then search for Cami and install it that way. Once you do this once, you won't have to do it again. You should always see the Annotate with button Cami in the future. So click that Annotate with Cami button. This will then open up the document in Cami. And this free version has everything that we need for our purposes, but there's a few things we don't have access to. You see these little locked symbols. That's something that we don't have access to. But if you'd like to type in the document, click on the text box button, and then you can type. So if you want to type your name, my name is already in here, but let's say Miss Wilson again. And then you can come over here and you can draw. So say you want to draw with this green. I want to fill in these boxes here with the color green. You can add any shapes that you would like. If you need to do a drawing, you can also use the eraser tool, or you can use the highlighter tool. Okay, once you have completed your document, you're going to come up here and press the Share Document button. You're going to make sure that all of these are selected, so anyone with the link can annotate, share my annotations with collaborators, make sure all of these are clicked, and then you can close this window and press the Download button. You really want to make sure that Google Drive is selected and that all annotations are included. So this way you can share everything that you just wrote with your instructor. So again, down here, make sure that all pages are included, and then press the Begin Export button. Okay, this is automatically going to save to your Google Drive. If you wish, you could open up Google Drive right here, but we don't need to. I'm just going to close out of here. And then as a student, what you're going to do is you're going to go back to your Google Classroom post, wherever this assignment was. And since I'm an instructor, mine looks a little bit differently, but you should still see this Add or Create button. Very similar, but instead of right here on the screen,